Hey, good morning everybody. It's John with GreenKey. We're back on site at our commercial job where we're installing 6 Tesla universal wall connectors, and have a praise report just to start out today. We had Hurricane Melissa that was moving through the Gulf the past couple days, and we were supposed to just get dumped on today. It was supposed to rain all day here, and it really would have affected our work schedule. So we prayed about it, asked God just to move that rain out of the way. And it's not even here. It's not going to rain today. We're going to be able to get our work done. It's just an awesome praise report. Got my brother Chase here. He's prepping wire for us. We're going to be pulling that first thing this morning. We've got our 3 posts. They're set in concrete now. Everything is solid. This is actually the fun part. The other stuff is necessary. You got to get your conduit in, got to get your post set and all that. But this is where it's a lot of fun, just getting everything pulled, getting everything hung, and wiring everything up and watching it work. So that's what we're doing today, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. See you soon. All right, hey everybody. So I just wanted to give you all a quick snippet. We're kind of midway through the day on day 3, and we've got quite a bit done, and we're going to be wrapping things up in the next hour or two. With the chargers themselves. So I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like kind of in the middle of the job. So here's one of the posts. You can see we've got our retractors connected up at the top, and we've got the bases for the Tesla universal wall connectors on, and the wire sticking out right there, and same for all 3. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is wiring these chargers up. And while I've been doing this, Chase has been working on this panel down here. I want to show y'all some of his work. Of course, he's got the cover back on now, so can't see it real well, but you can see our wire coming in at the bottom and then run up into these top breakers right here. So he is all ready to go in the panel. I'm going to jump down there, finish up wiring the chargers, and in a little while we'll show y'all what we got. Hey, so welcome back. This is the end of day 3, and we've made pretty good progress, haven't we, Chase?
Oh, absolutely. Great.
Yep, so this is what we've got. We've got our 6 Tesla universal wall connectors, 2 per pedestal. We've got cable retractors for cord management. We're going to be putting our signs up in the morning. We still got to get everything straight, put our grass seed and straw down, power wash the parking lot off, and then just get everything commissioned, and we'll be good. But very pleased with how these turned out. This was the first time we've used this combination of post and retractor with the Tesla universal wall connectors. So they turned out great. I think this town is really going to enjoy them, and I hope y'all have a great evening. Remember that God loves you so much that he gave his only son for you, Jesus Christ. And I hope y'all have a great one, and we'll see you soon.